sleepy. It's 4:30. Slept for 3.5 hours. Now I'm gonna drive for 8 hours and get to Trondheim. Luckily today I don't have the sun in my eyes. That was really tiring yesterday. It's really cold. Huh. Cold and sleepy. I stopped for some gas. Let's see. I got myself a yogurt and a coffee. Nice. Melanie got me a new phone cover and I broke it the second day. Yesterday. Got myself a baguette with roast beef. Really nice. Driven for 2.5 hours. 6 hours left. Or 5. Someone is calling. I have to. Okay. That was the event organizer for tonight, and as I was saying, I'm closing in on Trondheim now, and been driving straight up the whole way. Stopped at one gas station for gas and coffee. I'm coffee deprived now. Only had one cup of coffee since I woke up. Now I'm gonna go buy something at the shop that I need to clean the broken glass I'm gonna walk on, because last time we did this someone used confetti and now the broken glass is full of confetti. And then I'll drop by Melanie's place, have some food, drop by the event location, have a look at that, everything is okay, then go home and clean the glass and prepare the illusions. So we stopped at the shop, gonna go in and buy some eggs. Got the eggs, milk, got cultura. I'm really hungry. I didn't have a proper breakfast today. I only had this yogurt at 5 in the morning. Now it's 11:45. Now I'm on my way to Lade. It's a part of the city where the show is gonna be. I have a look at the location. See that everything fits. Oh, sleepy from the trip. It's not the best day to be driving for a guy who is reasonably annoyed by traffic. Look at this. People do not know how to drive to make flow in traffic. Look at this. Now they have a red light, we're gonna get a green light, and they're blocking the whole road. So it's not possible to pass. Because I don't hear anything. We're going in to have breakfast. Hello. Melanie got me this hat last year, I think. So warm, so warm. Let's go to my dad's place. Going home. No, I'm not going home. I'm going to Melanie's place to have dinner. Oh, it was nice seeing the dog and my family. Then we're going to the pool later on. We had food. It was delicious. It was a lamb, not the whole lamb, little lamb. Now going training. Melanie is very much enjoying the heated steering wheel. Why are you grabbing the wheel?
I want to bring it with me.
Why?
I love it.
Why?
It's warm.
Today's Sunday, and Sunday is now over.